school. This is your class 10 mathematics. In our previous session, we have seen about the passing package. From each chapter, what are all the likely questions which can be occurred, and we have seen a total of 50 marks. 50 marks. 50 marks, are they enough for us? No, we need more than 50. From this session, I am going to start each chapter wise questions, and I am going to bring out 15 to 20 question papers. What are all the questions which are occurred from this chapter and most likely to occur questions in your future examinations? All the questions I have collected, I am going to discuss with you. Okay, let's start with 1 mark, 2 marks. So coming to 4 marks, it takes more time. That 4 marks question, I am going to send it as a application questions. So if you are going to solve along with me, then you will be completing 15 to 20 question papers from each and every chapter. Okay, let's start our first chapter, arithmetic progression. From this chapter, we have seen 1 mark, 1 question, and 2 marks, 1 question. This is mark, and 4 marks, 1 question. 4 marks, 1 question, 2 marks, 1 question, 1 mark, 1 question. But due to this pandemic situation, as some chapters are deleted, so this year we can get 2 marks questions we can expect from this chapter. That means 4 marks total. This will be 4 into 1, 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus 4 plus 4. That will be 9 marks you can score from this chapter. Let's start your first chapter, arithmetic progressions. So in this, first we should know a tiny introduction. Sequence, it is an orderly arrangement of numbers by a definite rule. So suppose the numbers are in particular order, it may be any order, divisible by 2, multiples of 3, or odd numbers, even numbers. If the list of numbers is having some order or a definite rule, then I say that numbers are in a sequence. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So what do we say? It is in a sequence. And if I take here 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. List of even numbers. And what does this dot 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 indicates? This is a infinite sequence. Infinite sequence. Why it is infinite? There is no end for the sequence. Suppose if I clean this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the 4 numbers. Means it is a finite sequence. Or if I give dot 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 here and up to 50 if I say, yes, it is a finite sequence where there is an end for the sequence. First, we should know what is a sequence, what is a finite sequence, and this is an infinite sequence. Next, coming to arithmetic progression. Suppose if I take this as a sequence, okay, or a list of numbers you can say. For the list of numbers, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number for the preceding term. Fixed number, if you add, you are going to get the next term. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except first term. Suppose this is first term. Except first term is a definition. So next number is obtained by adding a fixed number. How much I am adding for this? 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. And again for that 4, a fixed number is 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6. Like this, so on. And what is this fixed number called as? Common difference. We call that with D. Okay, and terms, a list of numbers we call as it terms. That means first term A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. And what will be the last term? Suppose if it is 50, last term I say it as a AN. Okay, N value is number of the term, AN is value of the last term. And AN is also said as L. AN we can say it as a last term. Last term can be represented as L or AN. N value shows the number of the terms. And D, how do we get the common difference? What you are adding for every term to get the succeeding term, right? So that term is called as a common difference. In other way, we get D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term will be same, and third term minus second term will be same. Fourth term minus third term will be same. Means the common difference is fixed in every difference of terms. Common difference A2 minus A1. That will be 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. D is nothing but the common difference. First term is represented by either A1 or A. So let's start our first question in arithmetic progression. What are all the chances of asking first question? That is 1 mark question. So what is a general form? What is a general form of arithmetic progression? General form, I write it as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on up to last term A plus n minus 1 into D. Or you may write it as A1, A2, A3, A4, so on up to AN. General form, if they ask, in this way you need to write. And last term, what it is? General term. First question, write the general form of arithmetic progression. The general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on up to A plus n minus 1 into D. Next question, general term. General term is nothing but the last term or nth term. General term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Third question, sum of n terms. Suppose we know terms 2, 4, 6, 8, so on up to 10 terms. Observe this question. Observe this one. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Therefore, the common difference is same or the fixed number is same. Therefore, this progression is in arithmetic progression. So, sum of terms they will ask. Sum of means we need to add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So, sum of, if we say, we call it as a series. And that can be represented by the letter S. How many terms are there here? 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms. That means S10 we need to calculate. So, to calculate this, there is a formula. That is, write the formula for sum of n terms is your third question. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, sum of n terms, if you want to find, you should know a and d and n value. Okay, next, sum of n terms when your first term and last term is given. Last term is not given, but how many terms are there given? Suppose if I give you like this 2, 4, 6, 8, so on 100. Last term is given, last term value is given. So at that time we can use another formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, first term and last term. So your fifth question, if first term is a and common difference is 2, find the general form. General form means this one, no? So let us substitute a and d value. A value a plus d, a plus 2, a plus 2d, a plus 2 into 2 it will be 4, a plus 3d, a plus 3 into 2 will be 6, so on a plus, we don't know n value, n minus 1 into 2. This is the general form. If they ask you general form, just substitute a and d value in this and say this is the general form. Sixth question. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression, nth term an is equal to 24 minus 3n. Then find its second term. So let's start our solution like this. An is equal to 24 minus 3n. Find its second term means a2 is equal to question mark. So this type of question, one will be compulsory for either it may be 1 or 2 marks. Nth term value given, we need to find second term. See, observe here an, a2. That means n value is 2. N value 2. Substitute in this, wherever you have n, substitute 2, you are going to get the second term. So look here carefully. Here you have n. This 2 value substitute here. N is equal to 2. If you want, you can write here n is equal to 2 and that n value substitute here. A2 is equal to 24 minus. Here again you have n. 3, 2 don't write like this. It becomes 32. So better put bracket. Okay. 24 minus 3 2s are 6. It will be 24 minus 6 will be 18. A2 is equal to 18. That means, therefore, the second term is 18. So, similar questions I have given here. Let me try any one or two problems from this. Let me go with ninth one. An is equal to 3n minus 2. Find second term, that means a2. I have written here shortcut an, a2. What is your n value? N value is 2. Substitute in n plus 2. Here you have n. So 3 bracket into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 will be 4. A2 is equal to 4. Like this, any term you can find, children. Suppose fifth term. Look here. 5, A5. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 2 will be 13. Okay. 10th term, 20th term. Anything you can calculate if you know nth term value. Okay. Like this, one question is compulsory. So you can solve these all. Let me do 13th one. 13th question, what do you have? An is equal to n by n plus 1. Find A2. Find A2. N value is 2. Substitute wherever you have n, substitute to A2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 1. That is 2 by 2 plus 1 will be 3. 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay, same manner, A3, A4, A5, anything you can calculate. You please solve these all questions. Next question, find the common difference of given arithmetic progression. -5, -1, 3, 7, so on is. So you need to write here A1, A2, A3, A4. How do we get the common difference? We know that common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term value is -1 minus and your first term value is again -5. So most of the people will do mistake here. Already minus there. So let us write only 5 you can think. But please don't do. This minus is different and this minus is different. So in order to separate, please take with a bracket. -1 minus of -5. That will be -1 minus into minus plus 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Therefore, common difference is equal to 4. Like this, you can take any arithmetic progression and try to find the common difference. Like this, finding common difference is very easy. You can take an example of 2-3 progressions and you can find the common difference. So next one, nth term value is given. Find the common difference. So in order to find common difference, we need A2 and A1. First, let me find A1. N place, substitute 1. Wherever you have n, substitute 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Find the second term. 2 into 2. n place substitute 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus 3 will be 2. Common difference is equal to 2. Like this, nth term will be given and they will be asking common difference. This is a method you need to find. Next one. A and D value will be given. You need to find some term. That is, if A is equal to 6, D is equal to 5. That means first term is 6, common difference is 5. Find A3. Find A3. What is A3 general form? A plus 2D. Or you can take general term formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N value is 3, A value is 6, N value 3 minus 1 into D value is 5. 6 plus 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2 into 5 will be 10, 6 plus 10 will be 16. Therefore, third term value is 16. Like this, any term you can find. If you know A and D, any term we can calculate. And another method, find 10th term of a given arithmetic progression. See the progression, 5, 9, 13, so on. So let's try a rewrite here. Let us rewrite the progression, 5, 9, 13, so on. And mark this as A1, A2, A3. Okay. And find A, first term. A1 is nothing but A, that is equal to 5. And then find the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 value is 9. 9 minus 5 will be 4. Common difference is 4. We need to calculate 10th term. 10th term means A10 is equal to question mark. Take the general term formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N value is 10. A10 is equal to A value is 5, N value 10 minus 1, D value is 4. 5 plus 10 minus 1 will be 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5 will be 41. Therefore, 10th term is equal to 41. Let's see the next variety of questions which are asked in our previous papers. 2x, 14 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x. See here, these three terms are in arithmetic progression. Then you can say that their common difference will be equal. So, let me mark this A1, A2, A3. So, common difference same means I can write it as A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Why? A2 minus A1 will be D. A3 minus A2 is also same D. Means the difference is fixed. So what is A2 value? X minus 2 is equal to 14 minus X. Minus X, send other side. It will be plus X. Minus 2, transpose other side. Plus 2. X plus X will be 2X. 2X is equal to 14 plus 2. 16. X is equal to multiple divide, that is x is equal to 8 is your answer. And next question, if 18a b minus 3 are in AP, then a plus b is equal to question mark. This problem will be little lengthy and this is your previous question paper question only. In same manner, A1, A2, A3, A4. So, the difference between these two terms is constant. When three terms there, you can equate only two pairs. Then here, four terms, how can we equate? So, let me write here, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Any pairs we can compare. A2 minus A1, A minus 18 is equal to B minus A is equal to minus 3 minus B. So, compare any two equations and find A and D value. Compare these two. A minus 18 is equal to B minus A. Minus a sign this side, 2a, and b this side, minus b is equal to 18. Mark it first equation. And again, now these two you compare. B minus a is equal to minus 3 minus b. Anyway, you can compare, children. This equal to this or this equal to this also. You can compare. Minus b send this side. B plus b will be 2b. Minus a plus 2b is equal to minus 3. Mark it second equation. Now compare these two. A to A, B to B. So any one equation multiply with 2. Let me multiply first equation with 2. Multiply 2 here. 2 2s are 4a minus 2b is equal to 36. And take the second equation. Minus a plus 2b is equal to minus 3. See here, minus 2b plus 2b there. You can cancel. Directly add the two equations. 4a minus a will be 3a. 36 minus 3 will be 33. A is equal to 33 by 3, it will be 11. So I got a is equal to 11. Substitute this a value in any one of the equation. Let me take 2a minus b is equal to 18. 2 into 11 minus b is equal to 18. 2 11s are 22. 22 minus 18 is equal to b, and b is equal to 4. A value is 11 and b value is 4. But they asked here a plus b. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 11 plus 4. It will be 15 is your answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Before solving this, let me solve this. Then I'll solve this one. Sum of first n natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Where it ends, I don't know. Let me say that number may be n. So sum of plus we need to take here. So add all the numbers. Up to how many numbers you will add? We don't know, right? We take the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Formulas, you should be perfect. You may get 1 mark if you write only formula. So n value don't know as it is 2a. A value is 1 and d value is 2 minus 1, that will be 1. A value 1, d value is 1. D is common difference. Substitute here 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. That will be n by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2. N into 1 n, minus into plus minus, 1 ones are 1. N by 2 into 2 minus 1 will be plus 1. N plus 1. You can write this as n into n plus 1 by 2. And they may give you, instead of Sn, sigma n also they can give you. Summation n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So next question. Find the sum of first n terms of even natural numbers. How many terms are there? We don't know. Even natural numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But even. Even means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on up to n terms. I don't know where it ends. So again formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is 2 and your d value is a2 minus a1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. A2, d2. Substitute here. N don't know. N by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. That will be n by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 2n minus 2. That equal to n by 2 into. See here 4 minus 2 will be 2n plus 2. And again in these two I can take out 2 common. So take out 2 common, n plus 1 into n by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. Then therefore it will be n into n plus 1 is your answer. Okay, last problem in 1 mark questions. In an AP, S5 is equal to 35. S5 means what? Sum of 5 terms is equal to 35. So let me write this as S5 is equal to 35. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 35. Okay, and sum of 4 terms equal to 22. So sum of 4 terms is how much? 22. Actually, to find fifth term, we have a formula. A5 is equal to S5 minus S4. But how we are going to get that formula? We should know, right? Sum of 4 terms is 22 given. So sum of these is 22. Substitute 22 plus A5 is equal to 35. Send this 22 other side. A5 is equal to 35 minus 22. That will be 13 is your answer. Okay, or directly you can write, children, A5 is equal to S5 minus S4. That is 35 minus 22. That will be 13 is your answer. Anyway, you can do, but you should understand S anything given series, that means sum of terms. So with this, and your 1 mark question. See, these are all the questions which occurred from 20 question papers.